Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of vibrant party decorations with the best boho themed centerpieces you can find. If you're planning a birthday bash, baby shower, or any special event, these rainbow-inspired decorations are set to make your party pop. Introducing the 9-piece rainbow party decorations by Leinuosen. This set is an absolute game-changer for your party decor needs. Each centerpiece is meticulously crafted with high-quality cardstock and paper, ensuring durability and vibrant colors that won't fade over time. Let's talk features. These centerpieces come flat-packed for easy storage and assembly. Simply unfold the honeycomb structure, secure the edges with provided adhesive, and voila, your centerpiece is ready to steal the show. Plus, they're reusable, so you can enjoy them for multiple celebrations. Designed with a boho twist, each piece features charming elements like rainbows, clouds, and hearts, adding a whimsical touch to any occasion. Whether it's a child's birthday, a baby shower, or even a wedding reception, these decorations are versatile enough to fit any indoor or outdoor setting. Don't worry about flimsy decorations here. The thick cardstock and sturdy construction ensure these centerpieces stand firm throughout your event. No more worrying about them toppling over with every gust of wind. These are built to last. Ideal for themed parties, family gatherings, and everything in between, these centerpieces bring joy and charm wherever they're placed. They're not just decorations, they're conversation starters and memory makers. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your party decor with a touch of boho flair, look no further than the Leinuosen 9-piece rainbow party decorations. With their easy assembly, vibrant design, and durability, they're truly the best choice for anyone wanting to create a memorable and Instagram-worthy event. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and insightful product recommendations. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with similar decorations. Until next time, happy party planning!